Alright, hey guys, I'm gonna show you a pretty simple trick on your board. Alright, to do this trick, we're gonna have your board on its side like this. You're gonna hop onto your board and you're gonna land your feet right here on the wheel and side of the board. And then the next step of the trick is when you jump up, you wanna jump up, but you wanna have your feet, you wanna push your feet forward and then like bring them up so the board will flip. And you come back down, you can land on here. So it's going to look like this. Hold on. My bad. Alright. I'm going to land. My feet are on here, so when I hop up, my feet are going to go up and they're going to go forward and up. Like this. You want to land like this. You don't want to land too far back, because if you fall back too far forward, you want to land just like that. So show you again. You want to jump up on right here. Okay. Next step is when you jump up, you want to bring your foot forward and up and land it. All right, show you one more time.